Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku we have. In 2 days, a newspaper, the daily newspaper of Wednesday, August the 12th, 2020. Three regular Sudokus. The second one is a Sudoku medium, and this one will be number 1330. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so you can compare with the Sudokus in the additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. The 1 star has 27 printed digits, numbers. In the Sudoku, the 4 stars 24. So let me count. We have here 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 5 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 3 is equal to 20, 23, 24, plus 2 is 26. Equal to 26. Yes, that means if you compare with the extra Sudokus, 26 printed numbers is a 2 stars Sudoku. So let's get started. In the middle column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left in the middle column should be the 9. And then we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then the 9 in this column, the third column, the 9 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. I need more information. How about these 3 missing numbers in the big square, in this big square? One of the missing number is a 3. No, not a 3. It's a 5. We have a 5 here. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 8 in this big square. 2 and 8, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. Then let me see. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then 7, 7 and 6. No, I cannot continue. Need to wait. How about the number in this big square? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have the 1 and the 6 in this last column, so no 1 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you so it's easier to follow, it's a pair. The other pair in those two boxes are the numbers 4 and 2. 4 and 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3, 9. All right. The last column, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 9. We see here the 3 and the 5 here. So in this box cannot be a 3 or the 5. The 3 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. So one box left for here for the number 9. 3 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, the first digit. Alright. How about we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in the last column. We have a 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then. Let me see. 6 in one of those two boxes in this column. A 6 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 2 goes there. Then six. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing in this row. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. 5 and a 4. All right. 1, 2, and 8. No. Let me see. These two numbers in this column should be the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, but I will mark them for you. It's easier to follow. It's a pair again. And the last pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. In the middle column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. So the 2 and the 8, it's a pair. Let me mark them for you. 2 and the 8. Yes, we have a pair here, 2 and 8. Alright, so the other 3 missing numbers are the 3, 4, the 5, and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. I need more digits. Alright. How about 3, 3, 3, 7, 7, 7, 7, and 6 is missing here. 6. Yes. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now I have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 6. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Alright, digit number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this first row for the number 8. Then 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 4 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now I have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 5. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 8 or 2. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and a 3 goes there. And now I have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 5. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. Look, we have already a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 4, let me mark them for you. It's up here, it's up here. 1 number left in this column for the number 3, I believe. No, 3 we have. 7. Yeah, the 7 is missing in this column. So 7 in this row, 7 in a row below. So the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. One number left in this last row. This number we have a pair, 2 and an 8. So this should be the number 5. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. Now I have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be an 8. We have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be an 8. One number left in this big square for the number 4. Two numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. See you later. Bye bye for now.